Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Josie welcomes you as well. In today's video, we're going to be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus unboxing for April 2020. This regular Ipsy bag is $12 a month. In here we should have 5 samples, beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup related products catered to your beauty profile. In this profile I have a more adventurous profile, more adventurous makeup, different age, different eye color, different hair color, all that stuff. So not my typical profile. And then the GLAMBAG Plus, this is $25 a month. In here we should have 5 full-size products catered to our beauty profile. This is my normal beauty profile, comfortable with makeup, more neutral makeup, correct age, hair color, eye color, all that stuff. With both these boxes you do get to pick one product in here. I don't think I picked this month. I don't recall picking this month. I'm really bad about, I guess, checking my email and getting that email to pick, because they send it and you have like one day to pick, and so I almost never pick. If you did not know, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so as I'm opening up these products, if I don't know something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I'll put that on the screen, as well as the value of each product, to include their sample value, estimated sample value, I should say. I'll do all the math and all that stuff. Anyways, let's just go ahead and open these up. I think today we will start. Maybe we should switch it up. No, let's do what we always do. We're going to start with the regular GLAMBAG. There was one product on the outside, so I'll show you that right after I show you the bag. So this is the bag this month. I hate it only because I hate the color purple. Like, it's just not a color I enjoy. It is cute though. Like, this is a wooden little zipper pull sort of thing. Cute. Go ahead and pull out the card that will tell us the theme for the month, which is Full Bloom. So sort of like a spring sort of thing. The regular GLAMBAG has also started putting the full-size values of products and telling us whether these are full-size samples, deluxe samples, those sort of things. So there's a little more information on these cards than there used to be, and I appreciate it. First things first, though, I'm going to pull out the thing that was on the outside of the bag. This is from MURAD, which is cruelty-free. This is the MURAD Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel. So there it is. The box is pretty decent sized. Let's see how big it actually is. There it is in there. What a waste. I don't know why companies do that. Anyway, so this just seems like a moisturizer. It does have an interesting smell. I don't know what that is, but it's actually pink, which I've never seen a MURAD product actually any color but white, so that's interesting. So it does feel like a water sort of gel, so more lightweight, more watery. It feels okay though. I really like the way it smells though. I can't put my finger on what that smells like. So let's see. So this is a deluxe sample. The full-size version of this product is $60, which MURAD tends to be a little more expensive. I do enjoy their products though. It's not telling me anything about the scent, so curious to use that. I really like the way it smells. Alright, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from NOMAD, which is a cruelty-free brand. This is, I think, an eyeshadow in the shade Toscana? Not sure if you can read that. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. I have tried their shadows in the past. They tend to be really good eyeshadows. I like them a lot. Nice and like creamy, so let's see what this one looks like. Oh, okay. So it's sort of just like a shimmery blush sort of color. It's not coming off quite as pink on camera as it is in real life, but it seems nice. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. So there it is on my hand. Very pretty. I like that color. Very nice. I definitely will use that. I don't typically love eyeshadow singles, but it's a nice shadow, and I like their shadows a lot, so. Because the full size is $27. I assume it came from a palette, so I don't know which palette it came from, but alright, let's see. The next thing we're going to pull out is, what is this? Alright, so this is a brush from ARACELI, I think is the brand. So this is the Chiquita blending brush from, I'll show you the brand right there, ARACELI. I never heard of this brand, but there's the brush. It's like, it's fluffy yet packed a little bit. Maybe a blending brush is what they're saying. Oh yeah, I said, literally just said that, Chiquita blending brush. So, it doesn't, I mean, it feels soft enough. I don't know, it's hard to judge a brush without actually like using it. But this is valued at $14. So, probably more than I would pay for a single brush, like this single brush, but not too bad. All right. So the next thing I'm pulling out looks to be a lipstick or something. Oh, so this is from LOVECRAFT Beauty, which is cruelty free. Yeah. Okay, so it is a lipstick. It is in the shade Fausta. F-A-U-S-T-A. I don't think I want to swatch this. It looks a little too brown for me, maybe. Maybe not. Let's give it a swatch. We'll see. Oh, that's actually very pretty. I'm glad I swatched it. It's actually more pink than I thought it would be. So this is definitely a color that's right up my alley. I like this color a lot. So, and it's like a cream sort of finish. So I like that. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is valued at $22. So about, you know, normal mid-range price for a lipstick. One last item. This is from Space Case. I can tell from the packaging. Okay, so this is the packaging. Let me show you. It's like super cute. So this is a bronzer, and the shade is Fakecation on Mars. I've actually only tried blushes from this brand. I've never tried a bronzer, so I'm actually kind of curious. I don't know why I smelled that, but there it is. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch to see if it seems like it'll be good for my skin tone. Might be a little light for me. Maybe like a winter. So you can see it's like right there. It's almost, I don't think you can even tell. You see it on my finger? It's almost my skin tone, so it might be a little light for me. Maybe like a good bronzer for the winter when I'm not as dark, although I'm not really dark right now, so I don't know. This might be just too light for me. I might have to give it to a friend. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, and this is a deluxe sample. The full size is valued at $9, so not too bad. That's pretty affordable, I'd say. All right, so that's everything for the regular / not my regular glam bag. Overall, I don't really think this fits the profile. The eyeshadow and the lipstick, two of the things that I would expect to be adventurous, were pretty basic. They were stuff that me, normal Sarah, would wear, so didn't fit the profile very well, but I like them, so that's generally how I can tell if it didn't fit the profile that well, as if I liked all the stuff. So yeah, everything was cruelty free, and everything is stuff that I am gonna use, so that's always good. Want to say hi, Josie? No? Okay. Well, carry on. Your hair's falling out, ma'am. Okay, bye. Alright, now that we are done with the regular... Oh, I'm sorry. You did want to say hi. My bad. As I was saying before, I was so rudely interrupted by my dog. Now that we've opened the regular glam bag, let's go ahead and pop into the Glam Bag Plus. Do you want in your crate? No? I got a bark box over there that we're going to open up next, and I think she knows it's over there. You know that's a bark box, huh? You know it's your time to shine coming up soon. Alright, let's open up the Glam Bag Plus. So, I'll just go ahead and pull out these things I'm seeing right here. These are 2 masks from STARSKIN VIP. Never heard of this brand. It does say they are cruelty free, and they feel like just like sheet masks. So let's see. The first one is a creme de la creme, instantly recovering luxury cream coating face mask. So there's that one. And then the other one is the Diamond Mask, illuminating luxury biocellulose face mask. There's that one. Okay, interesting. Never heard of this brand, never tried anything from them, so I'm actually pretty curious to give these a go. I do like sheet masks. So yeah, let's see. Let's get a value on these. Okay, well, these are overpriced. It says the MSRP on these is $30. So $15 per mask, that is absurd, and I would never pay that for a mask ever. So, do you guys think that's overpriced? I think that's way overpriced. Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out is from BLOOMEFFECTS. I've never heard of this brand. This is the Dutch Dirt Mask. Okay, so this is a, let me show you the packaging. Dutch Dirt, and then BLOOMEFFECTS right there at the top. So it says a skin purifying, pore purging powerhouse, detox, purify, deeply exfoliate. I wonder if this is like, I mean, it's got to be a mud mask, right? Which I don't like. Oh yeah, this is a mud mask. Mud or clay. I'll show you what's, let me show you what's happening here. You see that? Looks kind of disgusting, I'm sorry. So yeah, these types of masks tend to be pretty drying, and I already have dry skin, so since I've already torn the safety seal off this, I'll probably just go ahead and pass this on to somebody else. Yeah, just not great for the type of skin I have. Maybe I'll try it once and see if I like it, but I just feel like I would not enjoy this. And let's see, it's valued at $49. This stuff, I tell you, like, it's brands I've never heard of, and this stuff is like way overpriced. Am I the only one who feels this way? Like, I feel like way overpriced. Okay. Alright, let's go on to the next item. The next thing I have is from GIRLACTIK, which is cruelty free. This is a Jello Gloss Balm. There's the packaging. Everything's so shimmery. Whoa. Smells good. It smells like a jelly bean. Let me show you how weird this looks. So you think it's just going to be like a regular chapstick, but can you see how shiny it is? Like, it's literally like a gloss in a balm form. Oh yeah, it's like oil. That might be good for bedtime. I definitely am curious to try that. That's very interesting. Not something I'd want to carry around and keep in my pocket for fear it could melt, because that's like definitely, I'm not sure if you can see it up there, oily. Okay, let's get a value on that. $18. Again, not something I'm going to pay for a lip balm ever on any planet. So I don't know where these brands get these prices. $18 for a lip balm? Yikes. That's about the price I paid for a lipstick. And that like gives color. Alright. I guess I forgot to even show you the actual bag. This one is better than the other one because this one is green. And it's actually a little bit of a different shape. So there's the inside. I like this one a lot better just because of the color. Sorry to all you purple lovers. It's just not a color I enjoy. Okay. Let's see, we have 2 more items left. Let's do this one right here. This one is from Tarte. This is the Tarteist. Is that how you say it? I always say Tarteist. But Tarteist, I don't know. It's the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. And mine's in the shade black. I've tried one of their liquid like felt tip liners, but I've never tried the other style. So this side is the like automatic liner. Go ahead and swatch that. Very nice and black. There it is right there. And then the other side is like a felt tip liner. We'll go ahead and do a swatch of that. So there it is. It's the line on top. So what I like to do is I like to use the felt one for like my eyelids, and then the other style for like under my eyes, just because there's more like water under there and it just tends to stay more in place. So I definitely will use this. I kind of like that it's like 2-in-1. Definitely will use that. The value on that is $24. So probably a little bit overpriced, but not as much as that dang lip gloss or the masks. These masks cost more than an eyeliner. Okay, anyways, we have one last item. What is this? Oh my god, how many times am I going to get this brand? This is the Shayna B Miami eyeshadow palette. Didn't we just get something from this brand? From this same palette? I think it's in my giveaway box or something. Where did I see this? Maybe it was something else, but I swear I've seen the Shayna Be Miami thing. So this is the eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to swatch this one today, just because I have so many eyeshadow palettes like this. Like, looking at this, I feel like I have every single one of these colors, except for maybe this Everglade one right here. It's like, oh god, glare. This one right here, it's like a silver sort of color. But I don't want to tear into a palette just for one color. So I'm going to think on this, think if this is something I really need. But initially I'm not drawn to it. I just have so many things like it. So let's get an overpriced value on this. Oh, this is actually more affordable. Well, not that much. This is 8 shadows for $20, so it is a little overpriced still. I'm pretty sure this brand's cruelty free if I remember correctly as well. Okay, so that's everything I got. Which bag wins? Which bag wins? It's gotta be the regular glam bag again. I just feel like there's more products in there I will use. I am excited about the Tarte eyeliner pencil, which is weird to be excited about a black eyeliner because it's a pretty basic item in a subscription box, but I'm kind of excited about that the most. And then maybe the lipstick from, what was it, GIRLACTIK? Yeah, that as well. But what did you guys think? As always, I love to know your opinions, so let me know right down there. And yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.